Fortuna Waterfall, with its flow of clear water, breaks between the thickness of the mountain, painting a landscape of great natural beauty, inspiring impetuous astonishment, serenity, and inner peace. Ecological Reserve Rio Fortuna Waterfall comprises a protected territory of 210 hectares. Serving with honor and tenacious dedication, the fundamental purpose of protecting the water and biodiversity of the area to be given away as a unique legacy to future generations. Visitors along their way have the opportunity to observe a variety of butterflies, birds, mammals, and reptiles. In addition, it is home to a wide variety of vegetation, showing lush greenery that covers the steep mountains of the Arenal region. The orchid garden not only gives better shades to the landscape, but also fulfills the valuable work of educating visitors about one of the most impressive and exotic plant families. The facilities offer a variety of services: a large and secure parking lot, a registration and information area where trained staff will assist you and address each of your concerns, making your experience more comfortable and enjoyable. In the resort, visitors can enjoy a souvenir shop with items and elusive crafts to collect or share your unforgettable adventure. Our restaurant service offers a wide variety of drinks and meals. Also, we have comfortable dressing rooms and showers, modernly designed. The tour begins with crossing over a bridge, from where we'll observe the vegetation of the rainforest. This will lead us to our first observation station. Once there, the dazzling beauty of the stunning waterfall steals our breath. At the beginning of the descent, a short course designed to maximize the enjoyment of our visitors to be accessible for all ages. Also, our trails offer rest areas where walkers can hydrate, take pictures, and enjoy the scenery. As evidence of volcanic activity thousands of years ago along the way, we'll find a series of rock walls originated from lava flows expelled by the extinct volcano Cerro Chato. Later, we find a platform located just in front of the magnificent Rio Fortuna Waterfall. This cascade is a 70-meter drop of fresh water that meanders from the protected National Park mountains. At the end of our journey, we arrive at a beautiful square in the shade of trees. Here, we'll freshen up at a natural pool built by the water flowing downstream, or simply allow this beautiful place to awaken our deepest natural senses. Wishing you a memorable journey. We hope the experience offered by Rio Fortuna Waterfall make your stay one of the fondest memories lived in La Fortuna de San Carlos. When visiting the Ecological Reserve Rio Fortuna Waterfall, you contribute to the social and economic development of the community, improving roads, education, creating and promoting sports, culture, and solidarity. Adifort, promoting the development of La Fortuna.